This video covers how to create a subdomain on Reclaim Hosting. And a subdomain is like when you see a URL and say it has portfolio.danielcarter.com, that portfolio dot part is the subdomain. And it's just a nice way for us to keep, for example, different projects or different parts of a site on a nicer URL. So if you need to give someone that URL, portfolio dot is a nicer way to do it. They're really easy to set up. So if you come to reclaimhosting.com, this is also pretty much the same process on any web host. You'll log in. So I'm coming here to client area login, and you'll enter your information. And then we're going to come here to cPanel. So you'll click on the little wrench here. Yours might say cPanel here. And I'm going to search for subdomains. And subdomain here is whatever that something dot that you want. So let's say I'm going to make portfolio.byislands.info. Document root, I'll show you how this works in a second, but basically this is where the files for portfolio.byislands will be stored. So I'm going to hit create here. Okay, and that takes a couple seconds, but we see here portfolio.byislands.info has been created. And now if I look in my server, so if I log on using an FTP client, we can see now that usually we go to public HTML here, and this is where our web files for our domain are, and portfolio dot your domain is now where the files for that subdomain live. So if you added an index.html file here and a CSS folder and all of your normal stuff, and you go to your subdomain, what it's going to do is come to this folder and load the files that are here. So really simple, really nice way to create a nicer URL for a project or kind of a secondary site like that.